go on the Brisbane River. We're going to be doing a test of the new Autel Nano firmware v1.1.14. The wind conditions here are fairly benign, to say the least. It's on the forecasts up to about 9 mile an hour maximum, but it's really nothing. It's still in twilight. We don't have the sun up as yet.
Start recording.
So let's test the speed in standard mode. So there we are, we're getting 9.5. Thereabouts is about 9.5. I believe it is slightly upwind with the conditions. So I'll turn it around so you can see all the rowers on the river enjoying their training, if you can call physical torture or training torture. And we need to go the other direction. So as you can see on the telemetry, flying at 26 metres. Go in the opposite direction. My understanding is it's flying against the wind in standard mode. What wind there is, roughly 7.5 metres per second. It is a beautiful morning. You can probably hear all the parrots in the background. There's a lot of them around at the moment. They're always very active at this time of day. Got the app version 1.16. Oh, there it is. So let's change it, the mode selection from video to speed. And let's try in speed mode. So this is going slightly upwind. Getting about 10.5 to 11 metres per second, slightly upwind. Let's turn it around. Slightly downwind. And we are getting almost 14 metres per second, 13.8 to 14 thereabouts, as you can see. Yeah, it's a beautiful sunrise by the looks of that. Just bring it down out of the wind. Get down to about 20 metres. Birds getting in the way. Okay, let's try 20 metres. What should be against the wind. So yeah, there I'm getting about 11.7, 11.8 metres per second. Flying a little bit faster than those rowers, that's for sure. Just stop near that rock in the middle of the river. turn it around. Wow, look at that sunrise. Go downwind. So getting over 13 metres per second, but I'm not getting the 14 or 15 metres per second. Ludicrous mode, speed, there you go. Yeah, so there's my my summary of the new firmware, and you can have a look at the 4K footage separately to this, and just check for any Jello. I'm going to take some photos of this sunrise.
Stop recording.